how can you access or how can you find or contact Facebook Business Support live chat. So if you're having problem with your Facebook page or Facebook business page, then uh, there is a way to contact the Facebook business support. So if you want to access live chat, then follow along in this tutorial. So go over to your Google and search for live Facebook support on your browser. So live Facebook support chat. So over here, you should select here. You should go ahead and select this self-support troubleshooting here. Then over here, you can find their um, get support here on the right side. So here you go. So you can check if this other alternatives work for you. So if you cannot find here the live chat support, so uh, go ahead and type Facebook support chat on Google. So there. So simply put, so you can check this one, the Facebook Help Center. So there, if you can, again, find the live support option here. So go back to the first link that we got. So your WhatsApp support and troubleshooting. And once you're here, this section will load you again. So check for there should be find answers or contact support here. So you can simply try and select support here at the top. So try and get support. So let's try that, get support. So this we are back on our page earlier that we just came in. So this section will appear to you. So this will depend on your country. So if you are on that specific country, particularly US, you should see a need help with advertising and contact advertising support there. So you should go ahead and check access advertising support, but you can try and go ahead and under support advertising, so to see if it will work for you. So over there, so if you can't see that, let's try go ahead and search for that. See, so let's try this one. So there, if you can access this way, so search for Facebook live chat support again on your Google, and you can simply go ahead and uh, there's one more help for small businesses live chat. So once you are here, so Facebook, so here you just have to open it. So like you can get help on the Facebook for business website. Advertisers can chat and screen share their screen to get quick answers from support. So let's try that. So on the here, Facebook for business website. So just go over to the facebook.com/business/resource, and you should see a get help here. So let's go ahead and find that. So let's try it. So there is nothing here, so let's see again. So you just have to find that over here. So this will be on the UK, by the way. That is why we are not having this. So it will depend on what country you are in. So I advise to go ahead and download a VPN. So any VPN you do, like this one, it's SendMate. So connect to a different country that will have the support here, online chat support, and see if that will work for you. So most of the time this will work because this is country dependent. So there, as you can see here, US, UK, and Ireland. So this is US and UK, Ireland, and they will expand to more countries. So if you don't want to use a VPN, you can wait for this feature to come in, and we'll wait for that so that you can experience the chat support on your countries. Okay, so you just have to do all of these steps, guys. So just follow all the tips that I said, and that will be all for today. So okay guys, that is all for today. Thank you for watching, guys, and goodbye.